across Syria, where over 30,000 detainees, often falsely accused of dissent or terrorism, were tortured and killed. And the most notorious one of all is Sednaya, located 30 kilometers north of Damascus. So many horror stories have emerged from it that it's been dubbed a human slaughterhouse. Period to December 8, few images existed of its exterior and none of its interior, using the memories of released prisoners. Amnesty International and Forensic Architecture co-created an immersive experience of Sednaya, including its sound and architecture. It allows users to explore the prison's solitary confinement cells and loop areas, giving them a sense of what detainees endured and allowing them to navigate the interior as recreations of the sounds those locked inside were exposed to echo through the facility's chambers. فبنايا يعني الهدوء هو استيادو موقع كثير هدوء. ما فيك تعلي صوتك، ما فيك تحكي بصوت